So you have a OnePlus Nord N200 here, and you have an issue where you have a black screen. Basically, the screen won't come on. However, you know the phone is on. Maybe you can receive phone calls, or maybe your phone is ringing. Maybe you can hear notifications coming in. Maybe you can feel it vibrate. Or another way to tell if your phone is on is if you go ahead and just plug in the power cable. Let's just pretend this phone here is fixed, but let's pretend I have a black screen here. And if you go ahead and plug in the power cable, I just felt it vibrates once really fast, and you made that little teak. I'll do it again, okay? Ready, go. Hear that vibrated and teak. So that you know that at least the phone is on. It's just that the screen won't come on. Now I'm going to give you guys several solutions to get you up and running. Just make sure you follow each step carefully. Now, first thing to note that if you have a case on here, take the case off, okay? Now what we want to do first thing is we want to force restart it, okay? And how you do that is very simple. What you want to do is press and hold two buttons simultaneously. It's going to be the volume up and the power button. You want to press and hold both buttons and do not let go until you see a OnePlus logo appear. So we'll do it together, okay? Let's just pretend my phone is totally black here. Volume up, power. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Press and hold. Don't worry about what's happening to my screen. Let's just pretend my screen is totally black. I'm still holding on the volume up and power button, just hoping I get a OnePlus logo to appear. Still holding here. I just felt the vibrate. OnePlus logo. Go ahead and let go, and hopefully you no longer have a black screen. If you still do, we're going to go to step number 2. Okay, so for step number 2, first thing I want you to do is I want you to spam the power button and the volume rockers, okay? Spamming by basically meaning, here's the power button here, just press in and out. Get it all like unstuck, because sometimes if it's stuck or jammed, you got like lint or dirt in there, it can cause a black screen as well. So keep spamming it kind of crazy like that. And then the same thing with the volume rockers, okay? Volume up and down, okay? Just keep on spamming these buttons. Keep on spamming, do the power button again. Nice spam, okay? Now, what I want you to do is get the power cable, and I want you to plug it in and give it like a little charge. Okay, now again, let's pretend my screen is totally black here. I have no idea what's going on. And from here, same thing, we want to force restart it, holding the volume up and power button. Press and hold both buttons at the same time and do not let go until we see the OnePlus logo appear while it is charging, okay? So volume up, power, ready, 1, 2, 3, press and hold both buttons, do not let go, pretend my screen is black. I have no idea what's going on here, I'm just holding on to these two buttons, volume up and power, hoping I get a OnePlus logo to appear, still holding. It vibrated, OnePlus logo, go ahead and let go, and hopefully now you are up and running. If you still have a black screen, we're going to go to option number 3. So option number 3 is what we're going to do is what I call the tap method. Why? Because what we're going to do is we're going to use 2 fingers and we're going to tap the front, the screen, as well as the back. Okay. Now what happens is a lot of times, especially if you drop and you got the black screen and then you start like tapping it like this, what can happen is there's something slightly dislodged. Sometimes a simple tap somewhere will pop it back in place. Your screen will turn on and you'll never have a black screen again. Okay. Anyway, hold the phone like this in your palm, use your 2 fingers, and what we're going to do is tap kind of hard all over like this. Okay, and a lot of times when you're doing this, sometimes as you're doing this, you might see like white lines or half the screen might pop up or the other half. Just keep on tapping like this and look at your screen. Nothing's going on. It's still perfectly black, no problem. Just go ahead and kind of like tap it kind of hard all over. Same thing on the back, okay? All over. Nice tap, even on the camera lens. All over around there. Keep on turning it over. Okay, the phone's still black. Okay, no problem. Keep on doing this, turn it over. Okay, if it's still black, okay, no problem. And from here, what we're going to do again is we're going to force restart it, okay? So remember, volume up, power. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons and do not let go until we see a OnePlus logo. Pretend my screen is totally black. I have no idea what's going on. I'm just holding on to the volume up and power button, hoping I see a OnePlus logo appear. Still holding, it just vibrated. OnePlus logo is there. Go ahead and let go. And now, hopefully you're up and running. If not, we're going to go to the next step. Okay, so for this next step, what we're going to do here is what I call the massage method. Why? Because we're going to massage the phone, okay? Now, we're going to massage the screen as well as the back. So what I want you to do is hold the phone like this, and we're going to use your 2 thumbs, and you're going to press all over the screen and the back, okay? If you don't want to smudge up your screen, you can get like a paper towel or something as well. So what I want you to do is hold the phone like this, and what I want to do is press in kind of hard. Give it like a nice massage, And again, same thing as when you're doing this. Sometimes you may get some white lines. You may get half of the screen, or sometimes the screen would just pop on, and then you're good to go. All right, so just keep on pressing in all on the side, and I'm pressing on the back too as I do this. Press, press. Sometimes you can hear a little click, and all of a sudden the screen will pop on as well. Okay, so give it like a nice massage all over, and the same thing on the back. Just give it like a nice press. Go in all the way. Even around the lens here, you can use like a cloth or something too. Get in the lens, even on the sides here. Press in, press, press. Give it like a good massage. Look at your phone. It's still black. No problem. From here again, remember, force restart it. Press and hold the volume up and power. Press and hold both buttons at the same time, and do not let go until the OnePlus logo appears. OnePlus logo appears, then let go, and hopefully now you are up and running. If not, we're going to go to the next step. So the next step here is what I call the smack method. Why? Because you're going to smack the phone. So what I simply want you to do is hold out your palm like this, and what we're going to do is we're going to smack the back and smack the screen as well, okay? So we can go ahead and start off with the back here. So just hold your palm out, and what you want to do is give it a couple whacks. And as you're doing this, sometimes you might see half of the screen, you might see white lines or whatnot, or sometimes the screen would just pop on automatically, okay? Also, you want to go on the bottom as well, okay? So give it kind of... Okay, and look at your phone, see if anything is on. Totally black, no problem. Now we're going to go ahead and smack the screen side, okay? So grab the phone like this, grab your palm like this. If you don't want to smudge it up, you can have a rag or something on there. Give it a couple whacks. Kind of look at your phone, still black, no problem. Still black. We're going to go on the bottom of the screen as well. Give it a couple whacks. Turn it over. Hopefully your phone is on. If it's not, if it's still black, then from here again, we're going to force restart it. Remember, press and hold at the same time. The volume up and power button. Press and hold both buttons, and do not let go until you see a OnePlus logo, then let go. And hopefully now you guys are up and running. If not, we're going to go to the next step. Okay, so for this next step here, what we're going to do is, what I want you to do is this, exactly how your phone is right now. What I want you to do is go and put it in your freezer. Put it in the coldest part, okay? For those of you guys that live in some countries, it's the part where it's freezing. So what you want to do is basically put your phone and just leave it in the freezer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take it out, take your cold phone out of the freezer, and then we're going to do the same thing again. Force restart it. Remember, volume up, power. Press and hold both buttons, and do not let go until you see the OnePlus logo appear. Then let go, and now hopefully you are up and running. Now, the thing is, if you tried all of these steps and you still have a black screen, then what I want you to do is watch the very beginning of this video and try every single step again. Okay? If it didn't work the second time, try it 3 times, 4 times. Try it up to 7 times. A lot of times with these Android phones, believe it or not, the 7th time will kick it back up and running. Okay. Another thing to note too is, if you have a screen or a screen protector on here, at this point you may want to go ahead and just pry it off and try every single step 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 7 times. Okay. Now, if you tried it up to 7 times, I'm going to guess at least 75% of you guys should have a working screen. Okay. So if this worked for you, give me a thumbs up. Let me know which step you think worked for you. Sometimes it takes a combination of steps. And if it didn't work for you, give me a thumbs down. We should have at least a 70-75% thumbs up. Good luck, guys.